Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize your Webflow CMS for brand content. To authorize your Webflow CMS for brand content, start by logging into your Webflow account. Navigate to your project dashboard. Locate the project you want to work on and click to open it. In the left sidebar, find the settings icon and click on it. Within the project settings, select the Integrations tab. Scroll down to the API Access section. Here, you will need to generate an API key. Click on the Generate API Key button. Ensure that you save this API key in a secure location. Next, open the Content Management System or CMS interface. In the CMS, go to the settings for the specific collection you want to authorize. Look for the Collection API option within the settings. There, you will see the option to enter your API key. Paste your previously copied API key into the designated field. Ensure that the permissions for your API key are set correctly. Once your API key is entered, click Save to apply changes. Now, navigate to your brand content platform that needs integration. Follow the instructions provided by the brand content platform to connect your Webflow account. You may need to enter the API key again during this process. Look for options to sync or import data from your Webflow CMS. Once connected, run a test to ensure that the integration works smoothly. Check for any error messages and troubleshoot if necessary. If everything is set up correctly, your Webflow CMS will now be authorized for brand content. Keep your API key safe and do not share it publicly. Regularly review your integrations for updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.